Hi, welcome to Excel Shortcut Keys Part 3. Most of the shortcuts we are going to discuss in this part are related to navigation. Let's start our discussion from 21 to 30 shortcuts in MS Excel. The first shortcut in this tutorial is Control Home. What is the use of Control Home? Moves the cursor to the first data cells. So if you are in any cell in the document, if you are in D column, E column, whatever the row you are in, you will move automatically to first column by using the shortcut Control Home. By using the shortcut Control End, you will move to last active cell. To move to first cell, Control Home. To move to last cell, Control End shortcut will be useful. So easy navigation to starting position and ending position will be done easily by using these two shortcuts. Next shortcut is Control plus minus. What is the exact use of Control minus? If I use the shortcut after selecting a particular row or particular column, delete dialog box will open where different options like entire row deletion, entire column deletion or shifting cells to the left or top will be displayed. I can select appropriate option. To view the delete dialog box, I have to select Control plus minus shortcut. Suppose suddenly in middle of entry into a particular cell. Just take this as example. Next shortcut is escape. Now I typed AST, I want to cancel it. Simply I have to click on escape. Automatically all the data that is entered by me will get deleted and it cancels the cell entry or data entry in a particular cell. The next shortcuts are based on Alt combination. The first one is Alt page down. Moves one screen to the right of the worksheet. So if you see here in the screen, columns from A to I are visible. In the next screen, automatically from J to remaining columns will be present. When I use the shortcut Alt page down, automatically my selection or my active cell will move to next screen that is available and it is moving to J. Alt page down shortcut is moving me one screen to the right side. One screen to the right side, Alt plus page down. From first screen, I move to second screen by using the shortcut Alt page down. Okay. I went beyond I. I is visible in the screen. So I went to J cell. The next shortcut is Alt page up. Okay. Now let's see how Alt page up works. Alt page up moves one screen to the left of the worksheet. So if I am in J cell, if I click on Alt page up, automatically the cursor will move to previous screen or the first screen that is displayed here. Okay. Next shortcut is Alt plus Shift plus page down and Alt Shift page up. Alt Shift page down extend selection of current cell till end of the screen in the row to the right. Now I am typing some data in every cell that is present in this screen till I. Okay. So after typing some data till I, if I use the shortcut Alt Shift page down in a particular row, what will happen? All the cells in that particular row in the current active screen or current displayed screen will get selected by using the shortcut Alt Shift page down. All the cells in the current screen to the right will get selected by using the shortcut Alt Shift page down. If I think about selecting cells to the right in the active screen, Alt Shift page down. If I think about selecting cells to the left, Alt page up. Okay. Alt Shift page up will allow me to select cells to the left. Alt Shift page up will allow me to select cells to the left. Alt Shift page down will allow me to select the cells towards right. Okay. These are useful shortcut keys to select all the cells in particular row to the left or right. The next shortcut is Control plus Shift plus spacebar. This selects entire active worksheet. If you think about selecting entire active worksheet, Control plus Shift plus spacebar will be useful. Tab or Shift to tab. What is the use of tab? To move from one cell to another. Shift to tab will move your active cell to previous cell. Now, generally, the cell that we select is called active cell. Generally, when we click on tab, we move to next cell. But by using shift to tab, you can move your active cell to previous cell. These are the different shortcuts we have in this part of third tutorial of Excel shortcut keys. Thank you.